Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video explaining a recent experience that I had. And this is a little travel hack, honestly. So there was a conference that I knew a few of like my friends who are in the same industry as me. So land invest. I knew we're all going to the same conference, and somebody brought up the idea of should we all get a Airbnb together and stay together, and each person has their own room or whatever. And I thought that was a brilliant little hack. And it actually turned out to be like, money wise, it actually turned out to be like a great way for everybody to save. And it's way better than getting stuck in some like little hotel room with like, all your friends in different areas. And this was super effective because we all got to spend time together and we saved a ton too. So on Airbnb, you can actually go into the app, plug in the dates, and you can specify like, if you need X amount of bedrooms or like where this property is located. It's actually a super user friendly platform, and I would highly recommend it. I actually want to do more of that where I stay, if you're going to a conference or an event for work, if you stay together, that's more networking and you end up saving a ton. So I just wanted to share that quick hack, which I found to be really useful. And I think it's not as utilized as we think.